Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's JG Cuts with another video. Today I'm coming at y'all with a 360 wave high taper tutorial, man. I know I ain't dropped in a while, but this year I'm gonna be on my consistent shit. I just got a new car, so y'all gonna see videos on that soon. That's probably gonna be my next video, my little take and delivery video. So y'all stay tuned, man, cause I'm finna go crazy this year. I ain't gonna lie to y'all on the not even just tutorials, but day in the life, car content, POVs, modifications that I do. It's just gonna be a lot this year on this channel, so as long as y'all subscribe, y'all gonna be able to see, so y'all stay tuned. So my client requested a number one guard open all around. And then after I do that, I set my ball guideline in. I always set it with my lever closed. Then I go lever open. And then how I blend my lever open is I always just use all my notches. If I use my magic clip, I do just go halfway though. So depending on my clippers, depending on how I'm gonna fade. I'm gonna keep working on getting them better angles for y'all. I'm trying to get like a ring light, hang it up so I can hang my camera up, something where I can get a better angle on these videos for y'all. But after I blend it, I also blend in the beard right there so I don't waste no time. I really don't take long doing these haircuts, y'all. Like, this cut probably only took me around like 35, 40 minutes. And that's with beard included. Beard enhancements, all that. I don't think I put that in the video because I'm gonna do a beard tutorial and a lineup tutorial separately. But right here, y'all see the barbers in the background, man, talking shit. Really, I'm gonna come with y'all with a little vlog, cause man, if y'all know, y'all know. If I cut your hair, all the shit talking that be in the shop, all the funny moments, all that shit. But after my lever open, I go one guard close. On the beard, I do go one guard open though. I go open, then I close it. But right here though, I think I did just go in with a 1.5. Yeah, I did go 1.5. Sometimes I get bored. I try different fading techniques, y'all. I be getting bored of cutting hair. So look, after I went with my 1.5, I'm pretty sure I went closed. There I go with my number one guard open. And then from there, I close it halfway, close, and then, you use your 0.5 to blend it. But if you're watching this, I hope you're having a blessed day, man. It's 2025. It's the 19th today, man. Everybody need to lock in on their goals this year, man. Same with me, I was slacking last year, but this year, this gonna be our year for sure. So whatever you want to do, make sure y'all write that shit down, put it in your notes or something. Somewhere where you can look at it every day to remind yourself what needs to be done, what you got to do to get to the goal. That's something that I do, and I try to look at every single day just so I can stay motivated and stay disciplined. Because if you don't got no discipline, then, yeah, you pretty much ain't got nothing. So, yeah, man. I don't know if it's just me, y'all. Comment below, but to me, the back be the most satisfying part to do it. Just watching the blend come together. Like, I don't know. Y'all comment below and let me know if that's just me. If y'all didn't know, I do reside in the Michigan area, so if you around Metro Detroit looking for a new barber, y'all hit me on Instagram, link in the description. And yeah, it's honestly, it's a bad day to be from Michigan, y'all. The Lions just lost yesterday. We got smacked at home by the Commanders, y'all. Now, if you can see, my client does have light corners, y'all. His hairline is more dense in the middle, as y'all can see, but I still make sure not to push his shit back. Y'all can see where it's a little light, but it's also lined up. Y'all gotta learn how to keep the line up as natural as possible without digging in those corners, y'all. Like, as you can see right now, I'm not pushing this line back. You can see where it's light at, but you can also see that it's lined up. So, because you don't want to just be lining up imaginary hair. See, y'all see the line up, man. Nice and crispy, all natural, right before the enhancements. So here I'm just coming in with some extra detail work on the lineup, on the beard, making sure y'all get the little hairs, just the little hairs y'all don't see that count. So make sure y'all always, try to detail y'all work. Y'all see the lineup, man. It's crispy. So this is the cut. Let me know how I did. Comment below how you feel. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Stay tuned. I'm dropping another video this week. Literally, I promise y'all. But damn, y'all see the wave though, man. That boy's spinning. Make sure y'all tap in, guys. See you in the next video. I'll see y'all in the next video.
Get the slide, man. Slide, we got somebody gonna slide. That's the only reason I said no. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause you know what I'm saying? So, that's